One day, Thomas the Tank Engine had just woke up from a good night's sleep. It was about 10:30 in the morning. Sir Topham had arrived. "Hello, Thomas," said Sir Topham Hatt. "Hello, sir," said Thomas. I have a very special job for you," said Sir Topham Hatt. "Great," said Thomas, "but what is it?" "Percy has popped a piston. He has to go to the steamworks to get mended, and you must take the mail train." "Yes, sir." Thomas was really excited because he had never taken the mail train before. "But," said Sir Topham Hatt, you have to be warned. You must go to bed early tonight because you have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning to pull the mail train. You have to wake up very early." "Yes, sir," said Thomas, and he went to go work on his branch line. After working really hard on his branch line, Thomas was tired and ready to go to bed, but he wished it was morning so he could pull the mail train. The next morning, Thomas had woken up excited. He was pulling the mail. It was really early. There was not a peep to be heard as Thomas puffed across the island. Thomas had puffed to Brendam Docks to make his first delivery. "Oh dear," thought Thomas, "I must let the dock manager know that I have a delivery." And he whistled. Peep, peep. Very, very, very loud. Then Thomas left. What Thomas didn't see was that his good morning whistle woke up Gordon. "Oh," said Gordon, "who woke me up?" But Thomas didn't hear, and he was already off to make his next delivery. Thomas worked hard all morning. And then Thomas puffed back to Timothy's sheds. Sir Topham Hatt was there. "Hello, sir," said Thomas. "Oh dear, Thomas." Thomas was very confused. "What, sir? What did I do?" "I've heard that somebody has been whistling too loud on their whistle, and it woke up Gordon and some other people, and now they have all been made silly mistakes." "Oh dear," thought Thomas. Thomas felt very dumb. Now he knew that his good morning whistle had woken up everybody. I'm very sorry, sir," said Thomas. "Well, to prove that, Thomas," said Sir Topham Hatt, "you must do a better job tomorrow morning." "Yes, sir," said Thomas, and he puffed away. Later, Thomas puffed to the steamworks to see Percy. Percy told Thomas all about being super quiet. Thomas listened to Percy, and he puffed home. The next morning, Thomas was trying as hard as he could to be super quiet. Then Thomas had gone to Brentham Docks to deliver the mail. This time, Thomas didn't blow his good morning whistle. He waited for the dock manager to come and unload the mail. Then, after the dock manager had unloaded the mail, Thomas was done for the day and he puffed home to the sheds. On the way home, Thomas passed the steamworks. He decided to stop and talk to Percy. "Well done, Thomas," said Percy. "You did everything right." "Yay," said Thomas. But then Percy was about to blow his whistle to Thomas, but then he saw that Thomas was asleep. And he went to sleep as an engine who had done a good job. "Sleep tight, Thomas," said Percy. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope everybody has a good day, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like and leave a comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.